Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I have a great life and I'm super happy to share it with you. And I love my channel and I'm happy to say things. And I'm super glad that you're here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. And join the channel and join the family and join the fun. Speaking of fun, they say sometimes good things come in small packages. This is freaking tiny! This is the tiniest Boxycharm I've ever gotten. This is my regular Boxycharm because I've got the premium and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills, premium box. So I'm looking forward to that. And I got this super fast. Super fast. Today, I can't believe I got it today. But it's so small. Let's get ready and get the calculator out because we will see what this box is worth. But it's so tiny. It's as big as my head. I've got a pretty big head, but it's awfully small for a Boxycharm. So we open it up like this. It says fantasy. All right. We'll see what kind of fantasy we will have. And it looks like this. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in here. And let's see if I like them. Let's see if it's worth the $25. Got the calculator on. Got my card ready. And the first thing that I know I chose for this box is the Alamar Cosmetics Brighton and Bronze Complexion Trio. Add dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin with this complex trio, which includes sculpting powders, designed to bronze and brighten your look. Designed with skin tone and skincare in mind, they are talc-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid for a hydrated and buttery smooth finish. Vegan and cruelty-free, MSRP $25. So this is worth the box right there. It's got a little sticker on it. Sticker. I gotta peel off my sticker. I'm gonna use my scissors. Jesus, on a popsicle stick. Oh, and it's completely very light. It's so light and delightful that this will be nice. Ooh, look how light that is. Right there. Goes on perfect. Lightens it right on up. And this is great. I will get some use out of this. And this is called Rinse and Grind Pale Wear and Cafe con Leche. That means coffee with milk. All right, there we go. Next up is from the Lifestyle Company. Detox hair serum. I got the ponytail working today, but everyone needs a hair serum as far as I'm concerned. If you hear some noises, that's the cat trying to get into a suitcase. So much fun. Anyway, nourish and balance the scalp and hair with this hydrating elixir made from nutrient-dense plant oils such as argan and almond oils. This plant-based formula stimulates and soothes dry and itchy scalp, promotes healthy growth, and leaves your hair shiny and soft. $79! I've never even heard of the Lifestyle Company. Lordy on a lordy. Look who's 53. It's just like a regular serum looking bottle. Let's see what it smells like. It's kind of got like a little, kind of an acidy smell. It smells kind of like, maybe that's the hyaluronic acid or something. No, that was the other thing. Almond oil. Oh, it's probably the almond oil that smells like a little acidic. And it goes on my skin and makes my skin super shiny. So imagine what it could do for my scalp. Okay, $79. I would not pay $79 for a hair serum. No, ma'am. No, sir. No way. All right, 3 more things. In the tiniest, the tiniest tiniest Boxycharm ever. Yes. The next is from Mud Masky or Mud Masky. Mud Sky. Why did I do that weird voice? I don't know. I'm just a weirdo. I'm wearing like the red ruby slippers for Gerard Cosmetics in the middle of summer. It goes good with the eye look, you know, whatever. Whatever's clever. Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Now this is huge for an eye serum, and if I hold it up to the light, it's filled too. It's not filled very far. It looks like it's huge, but it's not really filled all the way. This delicate skin around the eyes, right here, is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face. I believe it. Making it the first place that exhibits signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. Check, check. This eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C. Yay, vitamin C. And superfood ingredients essential for firming the skin with a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect. This serum is ideal for all skin types. $63. I don't know if it's worth $63, but you know, a lot of eye serums are expensive. And this pretends to be like giant. It's like right there. But that's still a lot of eye serum. So that's not, I'll say okay. I wouldn't pay $63, but you know, okay. And then next is from Grande Cosmetics. Grande Plumping Liquid Highlighter. A plumping liquid highlighter infused with rapid skin. Let me hold it up. Let me just, you just wanted me to read the card. I'm going to hold it up. There we go. It's very pretty, and I like to use liquid highlighter under my foundation a lot, which I've done today, and it gives me a great glow. So this is something I will use. A plumping liquid highlighter infused with rapid skin lifting system, Vin Uplift, to firm and tighten fine lines. This pearlescent formula provides the plumping and moisturizing power to give your skin a radiant luminescent glow. $25. That's reasonable. It's tiny though. Oh my God, look how big that doe foot is. I'll put a little on the back of my hand. I mean, with the size of that doe foot and the tininess of this highlighter bottle, you're going to go through it pretty fast. That's what it looks like. I'm going to shear it out. That's a beautiful glow. That'll look great. Put a nice little glow there. Nice little glow worm. That was $25. Did I add that already? I don't know. I think I did. And then last but not least is from $1 Billion Brows. This is in taupe. I am a brown, so this is great for a blonde person. This is a micro pencil, so you know it's tiny. Like my Boxycharm this month. It's a wee box. Oh my God, I'm trying to get this pencil out. It's a wee pencil with a tiny, tiny point. Oh, look, I'm doing my brows. But anyway, $16. So that puts my box at $208 for the month. And this says, when precision matters, this brow is on point. Micro pencil will help you get the look you want. This precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want and can create hair-like strokes for a natural looking eyebrow. As you can see, I'm not into looking natural. I'm not natural. I'm supernatural. And I want to thank you so much for being with me here today and checking out my Boxycharm that I got super early, and it's all gone, but I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.